Okay guys, so now we're going to talk about another type of sedimentary rock, which is here in this bag. So everybody grab this and open it up for me. Mike, if you could do the same. What I'd like you guys to do is take a really close look at the structure of this rock. What you should see is you should be able to decide whether or not the structure of this rock is made of interlocking crystals or of individual grains of rock that have been cemented together. I think it's going to be really hard to see that through the camera, but give it a shot. Okay, go ahead, Mike. Take a close look at that and tell me if you can see if you think it's made of interlocking crystals or of individual rock fragments.
It does look like interlocking crystals.
Okay, and that's correct. It is interlocking crystals. So this is a second type of sedimentary rock known as a crystalline chemical rock. And instead of being a calcite full of fossils, a limestone full of fossils like this previous rock, this one is actually a chemical rock. Now, what do you think the mineral is that this rock is composed of?
Quartz.
Quartz. Test it.
No.
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 What's your next test going to be? Acid. I'm going to go ahead and tell you that it's not.
Okay.
Why would I tell you that it's not? Because I don't want you to have to burn your
put
tongue.
the acid in your mouth.
Because so it's salt.
Try it out.
Oh yeah.
Salty, right? Is exactly right. This is rock salt. And again, we want to make sure that you guys understand that the physical properties of minerals are carried through the rock cycle. So even though this has now been dissolved into water, traveled, and then precipitated out of water as a chemical sedimentary rock, it still maintains the salty taste, the halite structure of, and it's now called rock salt. So this is a chemical sedimentary rock that is a crystalline structure.